try this David's New Orleans restaurant, Snowballs. Say they have the best muffuletta in town. So, we'll see. Get a 5-inch muffuletta. Order beignets.
You want the baby?
So I guess that's the babies. It's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Like it's the same thing.
Okay. I'll try them.
Did you get beignets?
We got baby beignets. Look. Baby beignets.
This one?
Yeah. The small ones. They got those. And I got the muffuletta up here. Very good. Thank you.
There you go.
Alright, let's see what we got here, baby. Take this back to the hotel. Heat up some muffuletta. Alright guys, let's try this David's Snowball New Orleans food here. So they got the beignets. Take a look at this muffuletta. Yummy. So we got the 5-inch muffuletta. Alright, let's take a look at these beignets. Pop these beignets down up down here.
They put a lot of fudge.
They always do, baby. Baby beignets. Let's try these. Yummy, baby. You want to try one? See what you think.
Where's my smell things here? Good.
Pretty good. They actually taste decent. All right, let's try this muffuletta sandwich. Looks good. It smells good. The olive dressing, actually, you can smell it. It smells good. Very good, baby. How's your lovely Panda Express?
Lovely. You just said it, lovely.
Actually, I think that is the best muffuletta I ever had.
Really?
A lot of the reviews, yeah. It's true. Very good. The olive dressing just tastes better. That's what makes it. Look how big that is. You got all that meat, cheese, olive dressing on the bottom. Usually it's on the top. Good. So overall, I give this the beignets, the muffuletta sandwich.
A 10.
This is the best muffuletta sandwich I've ever had. I saw it on the reviews. It's true. And the beignets are comparable to Cafe Du Monde. It's good. So the muffuletta, the 5-inch, that's what I got. It's $10.95.
How many pieces?
It's 4 pieces. It's a big one. It's 5-inch around. Feeds 1 to 2 people, it says. So the mini beignets, beignet bites, I guess that's what they're called. A dozen of them for $4.35. So yeah, I mean, it's good. It's good food.
Good price.
Alright, y'all. I wasn't going to do a video for this, but I had to because it's the best I've ever had. I went to the same place. I got the Muffuletta and got a shrimp po' boy. And it's very good. I said give it a 10. It's the best po' boy I ever had. A bunch of shrimp. Bread is the best bread. I think they made it there. And the omelet sauce is very good. David Snowballs and New Orleans style food is the best. Panama City Beach, Florida.